Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently crashing, walking barefoot on powdery white sand, and swimming in waters so clear, it feels surreal. Today, we're exploring the most amazing wonders of the Maldives, from hidden islands to glowing beaches, marine treasures, and luxurious overwater villas. This is the Maldives, a tropical paradise like no other. This isn't a dream. Explore Male's bustling markets, vibrant street art, and historic landmarks. Mafushi is ideal for travelers seeking a budget-friendly yet unforgettable Maldivian experience. Escape the tourist crowds and immerse yourself in the authentic Maldivian lifestyle. Our next stop is the renowned Banana Reef and HP Reef. As darkness falls, the beaches of Vadhu come alive with a magical glow. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views from your private villa perched above the turquoise waters. The Maldives boasts some of the world's most luxurious resorts, with overwater bungalows that redefine indulgence. From traditional Maldivian dishes to international fare, the Maldives offers a culinary journey like no other. Start your day with mashuni, a delightful breakfast of smoked tuna, coconut, lime, and chili, and where culture and nature entwine to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're seeking relaxation, exploration, or romance, the Maldives promises a slice of heaven tailored to your desires. Sample Raha Kuru, a rich and spicy fish curry with lime and red onion. And don't forget to indulge in the abundance of fresh tropical fruits. With its fusion of Arabic, Indian, and Southeast Asian influences, Maldivian food is a feast for the senses. Picture private infinity pools, glass floors offering glimpses of the marine world below, and direct access to the sea. It's the epitome of luxury living. Bioluminescent plankton illuminate the shoreline, creating a spectacle that resembles stars scattered across the sea. It's a breathtaking sight to behold. Take a romantic stroll hand in hand with your partner and let the gentle waves carrying the scent of the ocean envelop you in this extraordinary atmosphere. Diving hotspots that promise an underwater adventure like no other. Swim alongside colorful parrotfish, majestic eagle rays, and harmless reef sharks. Between May and November, Hanafaru Bay transforms into a manta ray feeding ground. Witnessing dozens of these graceful creatures gliding through the water is truly humbling. And if you're fortunate, you might even encounter a whale shark or two. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of nature's magnificence. If you're lucky, you might even spot a sea turtle or two. Whether you're a certified diver or a novice, the Maldives' vibrant coral reefs will leave you spellbound. This enchanting archipelago boasts a vibrant culture deeply rooted in its natural surroundings and Islamic traditions. Learn about the islanders' close relationship with the ocean and their sustainable way of life. Experience the rhythmic beats of Bodu Biru, a traditional drumming and dancing performance that showcases the Maldivian heritage. Engage with the warm and welcoming locals who proudly preserve their customs and traditions. With limited tourist development, these islands offer pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters, allowing you to connect with nature and soak up the peaceful ambience. Stay in charming guest houses, sip cocktails at beach cafes, and enjoy water sports galore. From snorkeling excursions to sandbank picnics and dolphin watching cruises, Mafushi ensures that every moment is filled with adventure. Plus, it's incredibly wallet-friendly, so why not spend less and experience more in this tropical haven? Visit the iconic Grand Friday Mosque, stroll through the labyrinthine fish market, and relax on the scenic artificial beach. First up, let's discover Male City, the urban island that pulses with life. It's a delightful contrast to the tranquil resorts. Next, we're off to Mafushi Island, the backpacker's paradise. Just a stone's throw away are Gully and Geredu, to local islands that epitomize tranquility. And lastly, let's talk about the culture of the Maldives. The Maldives is more than just a tropical paradise. It's a place where luxury meets adventure, where tranquility coexists with vibrant marine life. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the wonders of the Maldives. Which destination from our tour sparked your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're eager to embark on more virtual adventures with us, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.